Now this morning I got a PowerDirector mobile Android update which allows me on this particular phone to produce picture in picture. So I wanted to try it out, and I'm going to try it out using some Creative Commons clips on a Cheetah Running. So I'm doing this in real time, so I want to get it right. So I've got 3 clips here, and they're both video clips as well as the little green animation there. So let's get started, and what I'm going to do straight away is add in the first clip, which is a cheetah sprinting, and it's a landscape view. Then after that, what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to come back so you can see exactly what is going on, and that is that when we play this clip, look, what you see is, and I'll just wind it to the end because I've had a little look at it before, and the cheetah is coming flying in there, look, really fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that, and I want it to go the other way, so I'm going to do edit and I'm going to flip it. So by flipping it, you'll see now the cheetah is running, but this time it's ending up from left to right. The other thing you'll see is this clip is a 4:3, so what I'm going to do again is select it, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to crop it. And then it's telling me to do a bit of pinch zooming, which I'll do. So what I'm going to do is just get that pinch zoomed, and I'm just trying to figure out where the left and rights are. I want the sky to be quite high. Let's say it's sort of popping itself back to about, looks a bit big actually. Let's see, maybe there, let's see where it ends up. Yeah, a little bit smaller I think. So I'm just trying to get this precise, but you can see that what is happening in real time. Remember, if I want to select it and edit it and crop it, then I need to have that selected. So in other words, let me just see, here we are, look, that's where I was. I know where I'm more or less going with this, I think, he says. Go on, keep going, keep going. For the purpose of that, I think that's pretty close on. Oh, come on, a little bit more. Bring it down. Let's leave it there. Okay, now we go back to the beginning again. This time I'm just going to leave it a couple of seconds in, and then I'm going to add top left, and this time I'm going to, no, that's not true. That is definitely not true. What I'm going to do is I want to do an effect, here we go, of a video of the animation add. Okay, then what we find is that we get the picture-in-picture working. So then I can select it, and this time again I want to edit it and flip it because I want it to go left to right. Then what I want to do is I want to unselect that, bring it down, and I'm going to leave it just about there, and I'm going to put the other clip to the right. So then what I do is I want to say move that over a little bit. Oh, not that one. Yeah, that'll do. Bring that in about there. Then this time I'm going to say I want to do an effect. I want to video, and I want to add the other clip, which is the slow motion, and then I want to add it, and there it is. So then I come back, and this time what you find, give the processor a couple of seconds just to get loaded in here, and you can see there's the 2 clips. Click on it, move it, and then I think I'm nearly finished. What I want to do with it is I just want to drag it through. I just want to find out where the clip is. Notice it's super long, and in actual fact I can look at, goodness, look at that speed. That's quite something, isn't it? So what I'll do for the purpose of this example is I'll click on here, and I will bring that all the way in. Can you see I'm bringing it to the end and pop it in? This one here, in actual fact I'm just trying to review this, so it's really funny. I'll tell you what, let's knock off the front bit there. Let's bring that in to about there, and then just crop it. Gosh, how long is it? There we go, it's out here, look. So drag that in, select it, drag it in, click that there, Okay, and that's pretty much done, isn't it? So let's just see where we are with it. Give the processor and the phone a little bit of time just to see how we're working. In actual fact, that one there, I think I've messed it up a bit. When I say messed it up, I think I've got some excellent running going on, haven't I? So let's see where that comes in. No, that's about right, isn't it? Let's bring that in there, and talk amongst yourselves for a second. Bring that into about there. Bring that to the end for the purpose of this. Make sure you do a save every so often. So what I'm demonstrating here is the picture in picture. So let's see, let's give that a go, shall we? So we start off here, we go in, we get a hard entry here, and then we see everything going on. So let's just give that a go. So there's our clip, there's our 3 pictures working. We will forgive the cheetah. This one on the right might be a little bit big. Yeah, you see it's like squeezing by there, just a tiny bit big. So what I'll do is I'll come out of that, go back, get this one, I'll make that a little bit smaller and bring it just about there instead. And that is it done. That's what I wanted to demonstrate, to know that I can teach myself how to do a picture-in-picture using PowerDirector on Android. This is a Moto G4. Of course, then the next step for me after I save it is I will go up to the produce the video, and then I will save that as a, I'll just show you this while we're here actually, is that full HD, that's fine. Settings, and then we've got bitrate, which I'm going to leave as standard, and also the frames per second. I'm leaving these at 30 frames a second. I could go up to 60, but at the moment I'm doing 30. And that's that. I won't click OK right now because I'm still screen recording, so I am pretty much super happy.